Pag parang yung economic zone mo, parang territorial. But it does not mean to say that you have to go to war because there is somebody doing business there. You're gonna drive them away. So, yun ang status dyan. But by courtesy, yung lahat ng mga bansa na, lahat ng buong mundo, we have observed the 12-mile limit. Yung ano dyan, but you do not claim any exclusive right there.
Except to explore and exploit.
Except yung economic
yung economic rights.
Yung 12 miles, yun yung economic zone mo.
Parang misled yata ang mga tao tungkol sa ano yung karapatan natin dun sa lugar na yun.
Yes.
Kasi parang merong mga nag-iisip